Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is John Artsberger and this is From Failure to Freedom. And on my channel, I actually teach people how to make money online. And I know that's a pretty bold claim. You probably hear it quite often. But what I do actually works, and I give people information for free right here on YouTube. And we're going to head over to my YouTube channel in just a second here, and I'm going to show you how it's set up and how you guys can benefit from it. But if you're looking for different options to make money online or build a secondary income or whatever it is that you're looking for, I think I have some really cool options that you guys can learn to enjoy, I guess. That being said, let's head over to my YouTube real quick and I'll show you how it's set up and how you guys can benefit from it. And then I'll tell you a little bit more about what this video is today that you just landed on. All right, so on my channel, if you guys are new here, first off, do me a favor and subscribe. I would appreciate that. And if you get anything out of this video, leave me a like on it. That being said, if you're new to my channel or this is your first time seeing me, you can just go to my homepage right here, scroll down, and you're going to see playlists that look like this. Now, these are actually free trainings, free step-by-step trainings with affiliate marketing. This is a really good one for beginner affiliates. You guys can check those out on your free time or whatever if you want to. It's literally my method, exactly what I do every single day, and I show you guys that. But the video that you've landed on today is actually our turn $1,000 into $1 million, and this is a Forex video. And I know a lot of people get scared when they hear about Forex, but I think it's because people get the wrong idea from all the other fake gurus online that don't really tell you what Forex is all about. Usually they're, showing you guys a bunch of money saying, oh, I made this, but come and follow me or come buy my course and learn how to trade Forex. This is nothing like that. I actually have been doing Forex for the last couple years. I have full-time traders that trade our Forex accounts for us. And we've created a software that you guys can link to actually just allow us to trade for you. It's really, really cool. But the whole point of this series and this video that you've landed on today is just to show the updates every single day of what we've earned. Now, you guys can follow along with these throughout, for the foreseeable future, because we're going to be updating you every day. But that's what we're going to jump into today. And if you guys are interested, if you watch this and you think, okay, maybe I want to check that out, go to this first video right here, and you can learn exactly what this is, how it works, and how you guys can use it and sign up and everything like that. But real quick, I'll just show you a couple important things about my videos and where you can find some help if you have any questions. So if you click on the video, whichever video you're watching, even the one that you're watching right now, and you go down to the video description, open that up. Here's the link to our software right here. I'm about to show it in just a second, but you guys can always get to it from here. And here's the spreadsheet that shows our profit and our loss every day, what we're earning basically. And here's the full playlist that I just showed you that you guys can go check out, okay? But let's just take a quick look into what the software is, how you can, use it, and then we're going to go into the update for today and show our earnings, okay? Now, first off, this is the platform you want to go to, myfreedomfx.com. You can watch this video. That's just me talking about a little bit. Go sign up here. Here's another link that'll take you right back to our YouTube playlist so you can watch. But once you do join, you're going to go to a tutorial right here. You can click open. And this is going to tell you exactly how to sign up and link your account. It's your account. It's your broker account. You're just using our software to copy our trades, right? So these trades are going on live in our own account, my own personal accounts, and we're just linking that account basically to your account through software. And that's the software we've developed. You can actually find it on app.myfreedomfx.com, or when you're following this tutorial, it'll show you how to create your account right here. It's really quick and easy, takes about 20 minutes. But this software shows all of our data for our trading. Okay, now it's been running since January on this account. We started out with 1,000, bumped it up to 2,500. Now we've bumped it up to 5,000. And on 5,000, since we bumped it up, our profit is $4,596. We're going to go over that in a spreadsheet in just a second so that I can show you. But in our software, you're going to have access to everything. You're going to have access to all the trade data that we're doing. You're going to have access to into your own account data to show what you're earning and what your losses, your profits. You can find our win rate right here. You can see our monthly, what we're doing. You can tell right here we've had a month where we actually lost money, and that's going to happen. Basically, the way to look at this is a long-term investment. If you guys know anything about investing, a good example, and I say this probably every video, if you're working for a company and you want to save up for retirement, you put your money into a fund and let it grow over 30 years. But with Forex, we actually have what is called leveraged accounts, leveraged trading. So we can earn money a lot faster. And if you're good at it like we are, and you really have a good understanding of how Forex works, instead of trying to make millions of dollars overnight and blowing your accounts like everybody else is doing, we can actually build a sustainable income over the period of a couple years. And just to show this, we're doing this series right here on YouTube where we're taking $5,000 and turning it into $3 million over a couple years. And you guys can follow along with this entire process if you'd like, right? So what I suggest for people, the minimum that you guys are going to need to put in here is $500. Well, that's to start seeing a return. You can put in less, but then our software fees, which are very, very cheap, by the way, they're under $100 per month just to manage your account. That's all that we charge. Even gets less than that if you get 3 months, 6 month, or a year plan. So you're really not paying a lot for that, but to actually see some returns every month, you're probably going to want to have at least $500 in that account. Now, that's not where I would stop. I would take that $500, I would leave it there to start growing, but every time I got paid, I would add more money until you get this account up to around $5,000 to $10,000. And at that point, the compounding is going to happen. It's going to start growing extremely fast, okay? So we're going to demonstrate that in just a second when I show you our update for today. Let's just open it up here real quick. And this is our Millionaire Maker signal. That's what it's called. This is our 3,000 or 5,000 to 3 million account. You can see over the last few weeks what our, what our earnings are and even our losses. So the first week it was 216.49. Then we made 498, then 571. We lost. We had a bad week this week, and we actually lost a little bit. Last week we were up $2,100, and this week we're already up over $1,000. And yesterday we had a great day where we earned just about $1,400 in one day, which was pretty nice. Every once in a while you can see we have those days. There's certain trades and trading conditions that we can count on, and we try to capitalize on those. So the update for today, obviously, it's May 1st. We made $128 so far today. And our total profit loss is at $4,340.97 on that $5,000 account. Okay, so really easy to follow along with. You guys can actually access this list or this document right in our video description. So again, if you're clicking on a video and you're watching it, the one you're watching right now, just go down here, click more, and there's the document right here with the weekly earnings. You guys can click on that. It's going to open up our earnings, and you guys will always have access to that. But remember, you guys have access directly to this software, and you can always find what's happening with your accounts here. Easy to follow along with, easy to check out. So we make this as straightforward as possible and want to keep everything just out in the open. Don't want to hide anything. Want you guys to be able to see how we're doing long term. So if you want, you can follow. That's a really weird face that I'm making there, so let's get rid of that. But if you want, you can follow along with this series for a while and then jump in, or if you feel like jumping in right now, it's a great time. The market's strong. We're doing really well. Our projections are very, very high for the next couple years. We actually did a projection sheet that I showed you guys over. It was a 4-year projection, but it was actually going backwards. So if we would have taken our trading our trading style that we're using right now and back tested, if we would have started 4 years ago, I think we would have been at something like $48 million by now, something like that. It was crazy. But And that was off of their live trades. So we've been doing this a long time, and this is just kind of our first push out into public. We've been public now with the company for, again, about 8 months, semi-public, and then we went public about 6 months ago. So we have a lot of people in here, a lot of really happy people that are, glad they joined up. And if you guys have any questions about anything, just shoot me a text. That's my number at the bottom of the screen. You guys can always reach me there. And we're just going to keep updating, man. That was the update for today. So pretty good update. We're at a total of $4,340.97 right now for total profit. And then our weekly's already at $1,087. So again, guys, just keep in mind when you guys join here, there is going to be ups and downs. So you're going to put your money in here, right? And there's going to be ups and downs, just like any investment that you do. Like if you're investing in an IRA, it's going to be the same thing. You just don't pay attention to this because you're letting it grow over 30 years, but it would look this exact same. Or a retirement fund, it's going to be going up and down just like this, just like a chart. And the goal is to just keep climbing, right? Keep going up. We want upward momentum, but we're going to have drops through time. It's just going to happen, right? So that's what part of investing is. You just have to keep going, right? So anyway, that's a good explanation of it. And you guys will have access to this document if you want to follow along and just take a copy of it or whatever and check it out every day, or just come watch the videos that we're doing. So I'm trying to do these video updates every day. We only trade, remember, the Forex industry is only open between Sunday night and Friday afternoon. And then we shut down for the weekends. So yeah, some cool stuff going on. Anyway, another update that I wanted to bring up in this video for anybody following along. We have the broker that we're currently using has just migrated into, basically partnered with another company called Copytrading. So this weekend, they're migrating servers. Nothing is going to change on your end as far as your accounts, but we will have to update our servers next week on Monday or Tuesday, and I'll create a video and show you guys how to do that, and then I'll also update the training. Still totally fine. There's absolutely no issue. They're just migrating so that they can add more options for trade into the system, such as the mobile version, right? MT4, MT5 for mobile, which is going to be really good. Then you can just keep track of everything on your phone. So that's really cool. So I'm pretty excited about that. Other than that, there's really not a lot of updates. I think you guys probably will receive an email saying something about this from our broker anyway, that they're migrating over. But nothing to, it's not a big deal. You're gonna still have the same login information. All of your information is going to be the same. Your accounts are going to be the same. There's nothing changing, just the server, right? The server that we're using. So next week you'll have to go in and update your server, and that's about it. It's going to be really easy. But yeah, that being said, I'll see you guys later on. Maybe tomorrow I might drop another video just to update for the day, and then we'll carry on. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you're notified when these videos drop. And if you have, if you got anything out of this, if you ended up liking the video, leave me a like on it. I do appreciate that. That helps my channel with engagement, helps it grow. And I put a lot of work and a lot of time into this to help provide information to people and try to help them out along this path to financial freedom. That being said, see you guys later. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.